So I'm packing up the tent. I thought I would take the opportunity to, I'm not sure where the light's going to be good here. It's kind of dark in the tent. Anyway, I'm packing up the tent, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you the Palanque beds that we that I got for us. Now I decided to get these because, why did I? Gosh, I'm really tired, so I'm trying to think now. I decided to get these because I wanted to use them instead of inflatable mattresses. That was one of the reasons. The other reason is that, the other reason is that I like them better than a sleeping bag, because I don't like the feeling of being enclosed in a sleeping bag. So these Palanques have, well, I'll show you in a second, but let me explain first. They're actually designed for kids in daycare, but the lady who makes them, she also makes custom ones, so I decided to get mine custom made a little bit. Now, the reason they're used in daycare is because kids have a nap when they're in daycare or in kindy and that sort of thing. Dog's rolling around on the floor. Excuse the noise. I have no idea what she's doing. Anyway, and I found them and thought these look really handy. They'll be a great bed to go on top of the beds that we have here. And so I got them and really like them. In winter, I still have our sleeping bags over the top of us, just like a blanket over the top, because it's only a thin sheet and a little blanket. But in summer, it's going to be perfect. I'm going to put this down and I'll show you how they work. Stay still. All right, I'm not actually sure if I'm in shot. So, what was I going to say? Gosh, I've forgotten. I'm so tired. 2 nights with more enough sleep. Okay, thinking. So I decided to shoot this now while I'm packing up, because I actually don't ever make these while we're camping, because I don't make my bed. I don't see the point. But I made them up especially so I could show you how they work. Now, each Palanque is a very thin mat on the bottom. It's just a thin layer designed for kids to roll this out at daycare on the floor, and that's when they have their nap. I could really do with a nap right now, but that's not going to happen. And on top, you have one sheet and blanket. And they're both joined to the Palanque by buttons. So you can take the blanket and the sheet off and wash them separately. And the little mat itself, it's thin enough to be able to just throw in the washing machine, so you don't have to do anything special with it. And at the top end, it's got a little, it's got a thin pillow. Now, for Alexis, she's 8, she finds this pillow fine. I find that it's a little bit low for me, so I bring a little travel pillow with me as well to put on top of my pillow. Now, I'm going to show you how they work. So, when you want to pack them away, the sheet and the blankets are a little bit larger than the mat itself, of course, because when you've got, a body lying on top of it, that sounds really dodgy, doesn't it? A body. When you have a person lying on top of it, it's going to take up a bit of room, so the blanket and the sheet have to be able to cover the entire person. So fold up one, fold up the other one. Got a bit of dirt and stuff on it. That's all right, because they're easy to wash. And then you start from the pillow end and you just start rolling. So the lady makes them to order, and so you can actually choose pretty much whatever fabric she's got available and decide what colours you want for the sheet and the blanket and the inside and the outside. This one's a really gorgeous Aboriginal work of art. properly paid the artist and everything, which is really awesome. Comes with the story of the piece of work and everything. It's really cool. This one's Alexis, she likes purple, so she chose the purple one. So you roll it up, it's got Velcro there, and done. And it's got a handle on the other side, so you can easily carry it. Ta-da! It's really, really good. And it comes shipped in. I'll show you. Hang on. Oops, I've zipped this up. Hang on a sec. When she sends it, they come in one of these. It's sort of like the same kind of container that sheets and blankets and stuff come in. And so, I mean, you know, you don't have to use them, but because I like to pack it away in the car nicely, make sure it's not going to get grotty with all the camping gear or whatever, especially if it's raining. I've kept these, and I then store them back in here. Just keeps them from getting gross. And they're so handy. I really like it. I love the fact that it's you're not sort of really enclosed in a sleeping bag. I just don't like being stuck in a bag like that. A lot of people really like being enclosed. I don't enjoy it. Now, I got mine done especially because I wanted mine to be a bit longer. When I sleep, I like to have, I'm a side sleeper, and I like to have the sheet or the blanket up over one ear. It's just a thing. I'm sure other people do that as well. You can get up, Ollie. Come on. This is Ollie, by the way. I'm sure you've met her before. Can you hop off that though? Thanks, on here. So I got my sheet and my blanket made longer. Oh, also the Palanquis, you can get long ones. Now, the standard size is short, obviously, for little kids. But I got the long Palanquin, and it's pretty much exactly the same length as these beds that I have anyway. So I figured, well, it's perfect. The other end of mine, I also got the foot end a bit longer so that my feet don't stick out the end. So Ollie, you're gonna have to move. Get off. Or roll over. That works. Okay. Anyway, you've seen me pack up one, so that's it. But I just thought I'd show you those Palanquis, and I really like them. Super easy to clean. Really nice to sleep on. Perfect for summer. Otherwise, as I said, you can put your sleeping bag over the top, just like a blanket. Oh, the other thing that I asked for her to do as well was to, I ordered mine and Alexis's at the same time, and I asked her to make them button up on opposite sides here. So my Palanquin is buttoned on that side, the sheets and the blanket is buttoned on that side, and Alexis is buttoned on this other side, so that when we're lying here together, if she needs a cuddle in the night or whatever, or, you know, snuggles in the morning, then we're not sort of like stuck behind the blanket that's buttoned down. You good there, Ollie? That's it. That's what I wanted to show you. Okay, bye.